In just a few weeks, we'll celebrate Independence Day, so now's the time to bring some red, white, and blue into your home. And for Getting Crafty today, Amy Latta is sharing 6 quick, cheap, and easy ideas for July 4th Patriotic Decor. She's got her red, white, and blue on. Amy, welcome back to the show.
Thank you so much.
So this is a great way, some great ways, I should say, to start decorating here as we get closer to the holiday. The first one you brought with you is a very simple jar of flags.
Yes, and all of these ideas, I just want to point out, are less than $10, some as cheap as $1, and they take less than 10 minutes to do, except for the last one. Because
money and time, Amy, money and time.
Exactly. Quick, cheap, and easy is the way that I love to craft.
Okay.
And these are what I like to call DIY-ish, because, you know, they're more than just I store-bought a decoration. You have to put a little bit of effort into it, and you can say, hey, I made that, but there's no skill required whatsoever. So
perfect for me.
Yes, so our jar of flags is so simple. I just have a little mason jar here, and to make the flag stand up, I put some uncooked rice in it. You can also use red, white, and blue candies, M&M's, Skittles, but I'm storing mine outside, and I was afraid they would melt. So I went for the uncooked rice, and then I just took 7 of these little mini flags, they were $1 a piece, and put them inside the jar, because when it comes to 4th of July, more flags is better.
Yeah. No doubt. Very cute there. All right, this next idea takes the first project but adds a touch of greenery to it, right?
Yes. So basically, one way that you can do really quick, cheap, and easy decor is add a flag to literally whatever is in your house. Yeah. Most of us have, you know, we've talked before with the decor trends about these plants, faux plants, all kinds of arrangements that you might have in your home already. Stick a flag in, and it's really that simple. I've got some fake eucalyptus here. I've got my little milk pitcher, or, you know, you can do like the milk jug I have down on the other side. Any kind of container you want, fake greens or real ones, and add a flag.
Excellent. Looks good. This adds a simple touch of red, white, and blue, a patriotic pick.
Yes, and that one is down by you.
Okay.
I just found it's actually red, silver, and blue. Got a little bling, some sparkle going on. But again, I just had that container in my house already. It had eucalyptus in it too. I just pulled that out, swap it out for the holiday, and then you can change it back when the 4th is over.
Excellent. All right, and now we've got some sweets, some red, sweet, and blue.
Yes, so we've got our Tootsie Pops in a bucket over here. So this is a cute little centerpiece that you can use for an end table. It's the white bucket there, and I chose just the red and the blue wrapped lollipops. Stick them in there until it's as full as it can be, and then you have a centerpiece that's adorable and edible. And edible, the kids will love that. I'm smelling that eucalyptus, by the way. I think we were here. This is perfect for picnics, bandana picnic wear. I'm seeing that here, right? Yes. Okay. So if you are going to put out a buffet and you want to just decorate a little bit, I have this cute little container my mother-in-law gifted me, and I just added a bandana in each one of the sections and then put the flatware inside. Or if you want to get extra fancy, what you can do is take each individual place setting, a fork, knife, and spoon, wrap it up, just roll it in a bandana, wrap some twine around it, and then this is a really cute way that guests can pick up their silverware. Some Americana there, absolutely easy. And lastly, USA letters. Yes, now this one does require a little bit more time. Okay. But I bought these individual, they're like the paper mache or wooden letters that you can get at the craft store. And then I used washi tape, or you could use painter's tape, and I just sectioned off the 3 different areas so that I could paint them red, white, and blue. So I did blue on the top, then I did red on the bottom, and then when they were both dry, I filled in the white. Then I used my trusty Cricut, and I printed out, or I cut out rather, little stars out of white vinyl. And then I just spread the stars out, no particular rhyme or reason, but I think they look super cute and festive. And then I hot glued the USA on there, and if you just lift that string up, they'll be able to see that there's some ribbon tied on there as well. So when it hangs up, you've got the stars and stripes. Yeah. Boy, that's handy, and it looks great, I'm sure, hanging up around the house. So all of these can be found too on your website? They sure can, as always. Come visit me at amylattacreations.com/blog, and you'll see all of these ideas. Awesome. Looks good, Amy. Thank you so much for coming back, and we'll have you back next month. Sounds like a plan.